In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you proceed to checkout on the Amazon website or mobile app, you will notice that Afterpay is not available as one of the directly integrated payment options. What this means is that if you go through checkout on the Amazon page itself through the website or the mobile app, you won't be able to use Afterpay. However, there is a big workaround for you to use Afterpay on Amazon. To do this, all that you have to do is go over to the Afterpay application instead. So instead of doing this process on the Amazon website, just go over to the latest version of the Afterpay mobile app, either on an Android or iOS device. In there, periodically, Amazon is made available. The reason why I say periodically is because a lot of users have reported that Amazon is not available to them. For you to check, all that you have to do is use the search function and look for Amazon. If you are able to find Amazon as one of the available options when you open the latest version of the Afterpay mobile app, that means that you will be able to proceed to checkout and pay using Afterpay. If you don't see Amazon, then unfortunately it means that it is not available at the current time. I recommend that you check periodically, and eventually Amazon will be made available officially through the latest version of the Afterpay mobile app. So once you tap on Amazon, you will be redirected to the website. So it's as if you were browsing on Amazon. However, at the bottom and at the top, you will be able to see the Afterpay logo or banner. As soon as you add items to your cart, you will be able to tap the button below that is going to light up and be redirected to checkout. Now, unfortunately, I cannot show you this full process on screen, but as soon as you tap the button, you will be able to finish this order and pay the exact amount for the items on your cart using Afterpay. So as soon as the button lights up at the bottom, just tap that option, you will be redirected to checkout, and you can finish making this order on Amazon through Afterpay. Alternatively, you can consider acquiring an Afterpay card which might be accepted within the payment methods on Amazon, but to keep it simple, all that you have to do is tap the option at the bottom of your screen on the navigation bar when you are redirected to the Amazon website. You just have to make sure that you are doing this process through the latest version of the app, as Afterpay is not one of the directly integrated payment methods available on Amazon. So we need to do this workaround through the Afterpay app before proceeding. And as soon as you do this, Amazon will always be available, and you can check periodically to see when it appears or disappears accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Amazon. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, I recommend that you try updating the app, or, like I said, you try generating an Afterpay card which might be able to be used on not only Amazon but other services. And as long as you do this, you will be able to purchase with Amazon. I hope I was able to help you. Thank you for watching.